Welcome to charming downtown Evanston. We are located just north of the city of Chicago in one of Chicago's premier suburbs. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in the Sherman Plaza condominiums. This is a gorgeous unit and I'm so excited to show it to you. I'm Kat Barry with the Modern Living team at Compass. I'm an international realtor based right here in Chicago. Let's check it out. Welcome to 807 Davis, Unit 1907. This unit has a beautiful split 2-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan. You have floor-to-ceiling windows with gorgeous views of Lake Michigan, tons of natural light. The current owners have done so many updates to this unit, including brand new hardwood floors, new lighting throughout, new appliances, and fresh paint. This is a full amenity building right in the heart of downtown Evanston. You have 24-hour door staff, and you have a gorgeous party room. It's a wonderful community to call home.